Chlorofluoromethane Lewis-Dot structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1 valence electron. Multiply by 2 as we have 2 hydrogen. Chlorine has 7 valence electron and chlorine has 7. So basically we are getting 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7. So we are getting uh, 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 7 14. So basically we are getting 20 valence electron. This 20 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy octet and duet of the atoms. So let me connect 2, 4, 6, 8. For connecting we have used 8 out of 20. Now we will satisfy the octet of outer atom. 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We have used all the valence electron. Now check for duet of hydrogen, octet of chlorine, octet of chlorine, octet of central atom, carbon. Carbon is the central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond, plus it is least electronegative, plus hydrogen is always considered outer atom. So this is the Lewis-Dot structure of chlorofluoromethane. You can replace this bonding pair by a line or dash. So this is the structural formula or another way of representing Lewis-Dot structure.